Hey guys, today we're gonna be unboxing this Hot Wheels 76 Greenwood Corvette HW modified. This one you could see that's 2 out of 10, 11 out of 250. Cool on this, you could see Hot Wheels modified. And also this cooler version. And I'm going to unbox this. Look at that, this purple color. You could see. Made in Malaysia. The one that's the number 32. Whoa, these of them. And the orange and white lines. Whoa, cool. Hot Wheels Chevrolet. I love this Hot Wheels. It is cool in this. I love Hot Wheels Chevrolet pickup. It is cool. The Hot Wheels Goodyear. Actually, this Goodyear logo. Whoa, these square lines are cool. Them. So you're just moving on this. Whoa. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you then. And bye.